In this lecture, we will learn how we can add the boundary of any area of that particular area. So we will learn how to add the boundary of that area. Just go to the catalog box and go to your destination folder. Here, this is my destination folder where I have saved all the data sets on which I am working right now. Just click on this and just go to there and press on to the new button, new shapefiles. Okay, after selecting this, and give this any name, a new boundary. I give this name like new boundary. After doing so, I will just select this like my boundary is just like a polygon. It's not a, it is a closed shape, but this is a boundary is just making a polyline from one point to another point. Okay, press this. Okay, then go to the edit button. After going to the edit button, just press on WGS 1983 zone, press on OK. My new shapefile has been created. After this, you have to go to the editor button and start editing. After selecting this, you have to select the your particular layer on which you want to work. Okay, tick. After this, just go here and select your boundary and line. Okay, now it will start working. This is my A point, just click here, and this is my B point, just click here. This is my C point, D point, E point, F point, G point, H point, I point. This point. If you clicked on any wrong area, just press Ctrl Z. You will move to the previous point. Okay, and just click on this area. Okay, just click on J and then go to the A. This is the boundary of my particular area. Just press my the boundary of my area has been created. Okay, just check in your contours, and the boundary around your contours has been created. Okay, this lecture was how to add the boundary. I hope you